Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Yawra Sami Jemfi, a communications officer, Edima Edizame Kumira, Mwachi.
Minya Kwame Kurati Jazu.
Nabokode.
Dia Chia, Ketsema Dabudri Namuja, Ediebo, Sani, Vetasu Yami, Wayebi. Mamonu Nenkuya. Ama ahokyere about my mobile. Yet yasi ye won kwai de na je wa de nyina.
Na no obi bisa me se na na yi Sami Jemfi. Senka Debia press conference yi wada wona wo twero niam yi ko de ye ni PhD kura senka. Enka ni se what
Kwa me ka chere se me ye me master.
Okay.
Me ya me PhD ni de mani shera anye ho sa ba me hwe ho. Masters ni ya. Me se me PhD ni be so a.
Me de enche me start be PhD no na me adwempo atachire ni se. Me to aduane kura. Na nipa ko no won to so say is that to so mpa to me kuta PhD o.
One from Dr. Tikesia.
Se me to ho anu me ko ba bi no address me Dr. Tikesia ben temi si wa anu.
Hello.
Yo.
Memo yenyina yenimpe kwa me. Ade ishira wum ade ba ko pa ma fulfillment they say wonipa and found the academic titles are winning no. Oba som nipa.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Oba som o manfo. Today be am dey on the Tikesia. What do you mean? Sorry ahomache. Atiefo bibire ni mo mo djuma mo ye mo na ahomache ya ta ye ran from na ma sorry ya biari su nyunu ai tuka ba o mai ni ye yunti mo sumo mai mo sum nipa enu bia na yeso ye as politicians as young men they dey abo mai ni kanko as for self development through education there ehia pa ye be but bibi hia chen eno no esomo a yebitimi dia so o man Ghana ama Ghana atumpon Ghana ababe kabebe jabo pe me chiao
meje so pa na ayi me kai se ayi Confucius na wotwero nwoma bi a friend constitution in the 15th century was say those who aspire to be in the highest offices of the land must have the aptitude to serve.
Exactly.
Yo.
It's all about service.
It's all about service, yeah.
All about service.
Na maba won anopa yi a enu amu ye nsamtwofo nhie mu na die baby o.
Yo. Kwame no ansam ne mienu. Na me try say me bo me tofa. Na atiefo ahudie koso. Didi kan na pakata se ne proye ho asem. Eno an ye launch ade a ye friend corruption tracker series. So your weekly press briefing na ya start no. Brano ye be corruption tracker. Na kata se ne proye e course wo ye mamu under Omanpenyi Akufo-Addo a. Mpempi no na abobbo nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ kwa so. Nti omu nya daagye nkane nyinaa. So pempi no na dɔɔso nti no na Ghana for dodoɔ na refi. Through this corruption tracker no yɛde bɛtwe ɔman na dwen akɔgyina saa corruption scandals no so. Because that corruption scandals no ɛbɔ ɔman ne ka ɛdi ɔman ne nya ha Ghana mpuntu. Na kwame ɔman biara so betu mpɔn a na ejina kwan a obetumi afa so atu kata ahyehyɛ kɔnɔbɔ ɛne dwiri ase. Ɔman a kata ahyehyɛ ewo mu bia no ɔman no mpuntuo nya de a ɛkoso because sika e wɔ se yɛ de mpuntu nnwuma ɛma nnwuma bu yɛ wɔ se yɛ de yɛ sukuu yɛ wɔ se yɛ de yɛ akwan yɛ wɔ se yɛ de yɛ hospitals na ho tɔba no ekudi nipa kakra bi ɔmo bɔkɔrɔ no butom na nipa dodoɔ ni nyina yɛ dan ɛbrɛ. Nti US ne adama maya atumpo ni nyina no kowa kata se ne proye wo kora na e wo fom pa African countries and third world nations are yet you hia buburo ene bi nya wo yema mu no o cheki bibiri na uti mu kata se ne proye e toso nti o man ni sika no enya de yitimi de yempuntu nyuma e kodi ni paka kra bi botum as a responsible opposition party NDC, I agree to see a position here where Bemu, Yababwa, Amagana Tumpo, Yababwa, Amo Mina Fan to my Payfrano. Yafatu also said, Katasene Proya, air cost wonder, Mantina Kufuadina, Yababo Deru, Yabes Shankenia also, Nagana for Central for attention, air basso, pressure, air basso, and Bray Juma, no. Na boya me yetu kata sese for ya se boya yen amaya si busika ya boye sika ho bai boya yen amaya tupo eno na amaya akwa corruption tracker aba enra corruption scandal ba ko a see the year 2017 ayatu ni the Bostgate corruption scandal eno na enra ya ka wase na mamemo hu nkuru kakra na tifu how serious this matter is. 2017, 18th January, Omanpenye Kufuado Betina Konyo Sokwame, and yet says, O my Ghana Japade found 5 million liters. The Pabonok Phobia Faculty Quans was seno, or more the diesel aquafra petrol, a seno, amanayo or minor cat. See, a car 5 million liters aquame, and ye as a ketwa. A car fuel. With the good petrol tankers, well, we have tankers were 300 and 178. And you know, a babon says, na yet na, is it then a petrol you do, sir? Which because of what you call for diesel, I say no, Amana Ababe. I say, young question, what here? A man paying you for the name paying for or more tone. In the next week, says, what tone may have a dear? You were what I was fashion. She said, back on the procurement law, there was said, advertising, or tender, go through competitive bidding. Fair companies are more papers over the top. Found we bow to let the Yamama 1 city. We select a member 1 city 20 pesos. We say member 1 city 50 pesos. Now, what for the neighbor was sora, a baby more my name is Sikan. What Tomano, and only a friend tender, competitive tender. Sana Maranek say, I was saying, I faso de ton say that I do it. But unfortunately, young Fulusa Ambrano, and Omanpenye Kufuado. There's almost now, and almost free businesses. Businesses are, Kwame, not young register or Mumpu, or registrar general. Into Mudin or my Ghana, yeah, woman companies are more registered. They don't even exist. Moving peanut energy in soup oil. And on this are found with the Mawamo. Apart from any registers that businesses will. These businesses didn't also have license from National Petroleum Authority. Farm work around will be to be. Farm work man will be to be. Or the Goyle, Shell, that company is in no more licenses. Only to me, yes, I found where money be in the downstream petroleum sector. But you trust our companies here in AGI. Eco businesses are number one, the register when they don't exist. Businesses are only licenses. And yet, the Japadi we ma or more. Yet, they ma or more solo. Young follow procurement law. Your body don't come with your momo. Sika wasn't commanding your woman. Yen Sanka. Now, send me by and a minister, some not her energy. So, what said your committee? So, we never Kwame umwe nube bia wo mudhwe mu kwansima eno Omanpenye Kufuado 2017 on Centrofo ye nhyiamu a ebisa na asem bi wo asem Omanpenye oye lawyer woni procurement law woni NPA act woni se transaction we NPA eye criminal etieti ayemra so no Obabonti be defended the jaw no the corruption clearing agency obai o yo afedo benyere ni hu so sa bobe.
But there was a report. Sami, there was a report.
No, Sam, no report to be my. It was time a minister let's say committee we and a national security for Babon Chess or my clear after of Benz or the Kaya. And the Numuhono and Omanpenye Sukoye. Science and Trope will share Muna or could defend it. Say, Columbian Corso. Again, so clear. They didn't follow the procurement law. The businesses are not licensed. It helps you defend this as a president. And they wouldn't move as a president, and I would defend the Anna. Yet what, and ND for about boss. ɛna ɔte committee yɛni asɛ ne husi muta so dankana mo a of copec mo nyinaa da so bi so ɔmo nyɛ hwehwɛ mu kwame ɔmo yɛ ɔmo hwehwɛ mu wie yɛ na report baeɛ a boss to say transaction no kwan ɔmo fa so tɔn saa ɔman ne japadeɛ $5 million liters of fuel na ɛyɛ criminal. This is according to boss Tankasa report. Criminal. And they say na dia ɛyɛ criminal ɛna ɔman panyin Kufuor be defend yɛ sɛ bibi anim no sɛ bi yɛ so panyin tire ma sifo afɔ ɛna panyin ɔtire fie ma mɔfra we nanka ne ebu nanka refo a ɔka ho bi yɛ ma panyin Kufuor de ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔtire fie ma mɔfra we nanka kɛkɛ nanka no no ankasa we bi because
me bawo na ayi
no na aba be defend
me bawo ayi opani ma me sadio me bawo
sadio be kan kire Ghana fo nyina
sabi
e pass scandal ne ho no enye no
sabi o me ba me so me ba say nkomo de na ma me misa
de me kana se ye ba
me bawo Matthias na me misa say as president na ebi a wate bia said ask bia koso no what committee per the committee report no say committee report no ai ba ye no ma wem ya omwem bibia nim seni eno bone be wo
ena committee report bia ni we ba ye ka se bibia nim committee report na aba na say ye criminal na no so ba last year ya o man penyi kasa 2017 that time no na committee na wache jako as minister of energy act no omunya nye omadwuma ko mo start omadwuma so ntika de o man penyi wo de wo ye ne say o minister of energy act committee ye be say hu asem ni mu no kre. It is a job for Bisawa, was you, Minister at the committee. Yen train, or will be your report, neither whom no credit. Now, Mamma Riding, I have Juma. I guess I don't want to be for the committee. Nina starting the Juman in Puno, or so clear after obey, or near Bolivia, who soon were defending the view. I don't know, say it is only a corrupt president, and a day after. When one Casa would minister at the committee, now committee needs to attain the Juma, on what basis? The end would be clear after obey. Well, and a committee na view majuma. Omo report about. Report on say the Omampenya Kufuor would defend the no. I will catch the Ghana for the Cornubian no. While committee say Cornu committee say a criminal. Enti, what does that say about President Kufuor number one? The area will muso say committee say apart from say a criminal, yet yes ya Ghana mraso no. Na kata se ne proye di dwimu no. Fu na ye toma moving pin no mo so ko toma group oil no o ma ton wan yo muti tewie moving pin na for any nipa bi no ma pocket sika no be sinne sika no meka o man Ghana ye nsa sika ni medi o man no efutu enti not only was the transaction illegal the state procurement law to NPA act so not only was it criminal but 3 years in year to say Japadel kwame sikano nipa kakre bi afa nafa wiasemu hefa ena sa di we bitumi asi wiasemu hefa sa wo beton o maye da pade so musi sika se wo beton na be sinne o man penya Kufuor do a o yo man penya ye nyina ye de da sia se ne nsa ye mra no no nsa ne se on ne say ye boso be protect the public purse o be kweti akata se ne proye no oni ni mpanyifo ayi o mani na Bible di pakatre bi illegal companies afa o my Ghana yisika na ade no kwa na mabon don kom ye wie na wan follow procurement a na ton petrol na wie makwa akoton anya musika wie mo fa Ghana de mre ye mo fire dia san so afa mo fa so aka ho krono bo be na chance ade ka asan kasi yi kwame sika o mu dinti e wo boss nti ti sense a issue nti no and the boss no egu boss to a NDC abraso John Dramani Mahama the visionary honest humble leader ofra konya so na boss Gina Brane boss etumine international oil companies like British Petroleum Vitol Trafigura Ediga Ede Petro Babeton enya fa so na de keka ho no and the boss to gu for 3 months ni boss to for the bank overdraft bosia and the trade my forecast boss to gu and the boss to Adon Mahama eko no more 2 million liters of
Sami,
oil.
Wadawuma, ye running up why? Na minko ye maybe mra.
In the time of store, no. And then bust, omuni fan water macre your one so modia.
Sami,
you bet me dependent on it.
Okay, Sami.
They have messed that bust. And it is because of Katasene Proya and Cosonio Manisi almost said. And what we are saying is say Yenny and Chiakunya Swanky and Yenesa. But on Sana President Mahama Besan Swabed on 7 January 2021, Unyame Yabdumwa, Nagana Poya Mwa, and some of Bebano. You're making sure that you see car with this a confu on the Ediama or Mino. Niamambra Aye Juma.
Mate.
Or Mino Ebeconech.
Okay.
Who's the winning Rentino?
Mate.
I
have a subsequent times. No, can be tracker. Now, Mose, another money here. Move from your friends a tracker.
Yes, corruption tracker. You're saying, I say, baby, I can't send a pro and CBR, you're quite at your back. Because, yes, it means now, ma'am, now you move your new look at us send it for your son. Ghana, stick up with Dini Pack at Butu. Ghana for bread, and if it's cool. Once it's a double track because you just can't see schools. And then hospital requires no best syndrome because I mind this car called the Tompa. Kakwanya to say, if I say you to it, I'd rather phone it there. Now, you see, Kai, you bet to be a young punch, you mamma, mine up and to my first round. My penny for the name penny work at the fair dear. I was say, yes, shank any hour so, Nagana for who. Quanya a ben you see, dear mine abro. You know, I started to say, Casabia, or the right thing.
Okay.
We are the right thing, so a better. Yina.
Madasa no
Green Book nekaka.
Ose.
Ini so be Green Book once.
Green Book no more sir. Green Book there be houses projects only exist in the Green Book. Yanka kakra bi wadama.
No, ntina the person me kakra bi because wa me eya ba be ka o man panyi akufu ado ne NPP fo ho. De bia o mo benya kwan bia no. Mahama projects are e Green Book mu no. Eni ho e book no mu na wo. Nedia keka ho enti ye adwen say enough is enough nkontompo bia MPP fu twa no mbre bi atwam de form ho bi ye de dada nipa no yes na ho e ma ne nkonta bi enra bi so man penyi fu ado say aje bia Green Book no no nya bi kan ye e na oni bi wo mu ana say oni bi wo mu so bo apaye na wa na adwen say obi tu fu tu Ghana fo ani na say ye Okorate Hospital President Mahama Esiama Green Accra hospital fa it is a Kimpiski hotel. You can't say that form crowd you hear this from your obeda. I will Green Book with the President Mahama Naye or what in the Nico Hay. Now, see, you now walk around and a year at the hour one of what's the almost with hospital. And you be a Green Book should have gone and say, and as or say, a real hospital at a walk. Bank of Ghana Hospital, it will Green Book. University of Ghana Medical Center, it will Green Book. All these projects are a Green Book in Roman Pena Kufuado or the Niako. A terminal trade, and say, or the Nico Bay, or the central on the coin. Kegetia market will Green Book in the Siwi. Kumase Airport Expansion Project, phase 1, phase 2, and in the Siwi. Kaswa Interchange, and the Siwi. Red Hospital, and in the Siwi. Whole Airport, and in the Siwi. Upper West Regional Hospital, and in the Siwi. Tamale Teaching Hospital Rehabilitation, phase 2. Bolegatanga rehabilitation, hospital rehabilitation, regional hospital. Projects are here acquiring now. Montreal, ya dear Bacopa, a work Green Book Mua, Yasia, yen to me. Montreal one, and no, as I'm talking about women, I am would be half copies of the Green Book. Why, Mr. Well, you should be a Bebrewoni IZTV.
But baby, to say,
but this time around, no, in this year, will be a trip Kuntumpo. So, what say, baby, or Green Book Mua. Anywhere, say ye be. I saw my penny Kufuado say, Kwame. Also, say, I just, dear President Mahama, or buy a Sikaka cry when you are about to cry or boy, you're the year, and then you walk on time, will book more. Yeah, proud of it. I bet you defend say, when I hear the Abwagan and Punju. Also, that's not Kunyashi. When you're 250 billion in only 3.5 years, Tika when you're not going to say a bad yet in the history of Ghana. On say a hospital back we see Ghana, Odibi, because we see one hospital. On say a school back we see Ghana, they said the President Mahama see community based schools pete Ghana ha bebre no on chere one secondary school we see only be because on see secondary school back okra on chere interchange back okra why only be because on here one interchange okra now but odi o man ni say e boy aburo say ya na o man panyi a why enuma we nyina na tema interchange President Mahama na pay wuti ka to wo pokuase obechebi enso pesa wo je sa nyema we nyina fa na wo wi abasan so be twan kontom kwato no so say was why project be fantasy projects Party Sami fantasy projects President Akufo-Addo he is the only president what he appointed a chief executive officer for Keta Ports wa enya asase so wa man CEO Butuni di Ojuaneka millions of cedis for a port which doesn't exist in Kita. What for CEO? I don't need a friend of fantasy projects. Fantasy projects. Any interchange now cars or Pako Yama Tamalifua and then air coastal traffic because of our abandoned projects, you know. Not in Kusi in Kanti and 80 well to Sanya in the middle of Tamale. And then a fantasy project. President Mahama was here.
Medasi.
Right. Everybody can see. It is almost say Bibi or Green Book we have challenged them. They are releasing copies of the Green Book to the media. Almost say one project a woman a book but in form.
Medasi no pay mirror. Medasi Sami Jamfi communications officer the man this you couldn't communicate.
Okay FM 101.7.